back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys this makeup look I'm wearing right now. I really liked how it came out, very pink and cute. I hope this gives you guys some inspiration for Valentine's Day. Even if you have a date or not, you don't need a date to celebrate Valentine's Day. Just go out with your friends, or, you know, I'm sure your parents get you stuff. My mom used to get me stuff for Valentine's Day, and I used to just celebrate with my siblings. Let's get into the video where I show you how to do this. The first thing I'm going to be doing is applying a lip mask. This is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. It's the vanilla one, because they have like two. They have a clear vanilla one, and then they have like a reddish one. And now I'm going to start off with my eyes, so I'm going to bring you guys just a little bit closer so you can see. And basically what I'm going for right now is a very pink, romantic eye look. First, I'm going to brush out my eyebrows. Now I'm going to prime my eyelids. I use this all the time, Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And I got the anti-aging one. I'm just going to be brushing on some translucent powder to kind of set that a little bit. The translucent powder I just used is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Or maybe it's Laura Mercier, I don't know. For the best part, I'm going to start my eyes. I'm going to be using this palette right here. This is Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'm going to be using this color right here. It's called Ada. I'm just going to be pressing the brush into my eye very lightly and doing circular motions, blending a lot. Once I'm done using Ada, now I'm going to be taking a color called Bori. This pink color right here. And I'm going to basically be putting it kind of over this, but not like quite as much up here. I didn't really want like such a bright color up here, but I do want it to look more pink. Then I'm just going to blend out this outer line here so it's not so harsh. Now you really want to make sure you blend out this outer part a lot, because sometimes when I first started doing makeup, I would just kind of stick the eyeshadow on, and I really didn't realize the importance of blending it out completely. You can even sometimes just go like this. Now I'm going to take the flatter side of my brush, and I'm actually going to be taking a color called Giza from the Masquerade palette. This is what it looks like. It's very white, and I'm going to be using that to go underneath my brow. Now for the best part and my favorite part, I'm going to be taking this glitter stack that I have. So you've probably seen me use this before in my graduation video. I actually do use these colors almost on a daily basis in my corner. But for this video, I'm going to be using my pink one again. That's my favorite one. It looks so nice. Also going to be taking some other glitters in this stack. So I believe this one's called Champagne, but I will leave a description of all the products I use down below because I don't have the box on me. So I'm just going to take a little bit and put that in my inner corner. A little bit right here. Now to finish off the eyes a little bit, I'm going to be applying mascara. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than False Lashes Extreme. This mascara is really great. It actually comes with 3 steps to it. So it is prime with mascara, build with fibers, and then seal with mascara. So it's really cool. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to do one with just mascara and then one with the 3 steps so you guys can see. But it's really cool. Like, this bottle has a bunch of fibers on it that kind of just elongate your lashes and also just build next to them, so it looks like you have thicker, longer lashes, everything you could want. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys so you can see. This is how my eyelashes look with just the mascara. You can already see it's just a very nice mascara already. Now I'm going to build on this one. As you can see, the fibers are on my eyelashes, so they're kind of just next to my eyelashes, and it kind of sticks on from the already wet mascara. And now I'm going to seal. There's a huge difference between both of these. This eye is very full, and this one's, like, the mascara is still nice, but this one's definitely much better. So I'm going to go ahead and just build on my other one because I don't want to look weird. The great thing about this is that it's not clumpy, and also the little fibers, they don't, I mean, maybe they get into my eye, I don't really know, but they don't irritate my eye, which is great. That is it for my eyes. It's just a very pink, romantic, sweet look. Let's move on to the face. I'm going to prime. I've been using this primer for forever. It's the Hangover RX Too Faced primer. I love in Instagram videos when they like put the like drops on their face. It looks so nice. I actually really want to get those Farsali drops, but I've heard mixed reviews about it. I'm like not sure. Also, it's kind of expensive, so I don't want to like go and get something unless I really think it's gonna work and like be good. I'm going to be using this brush for the first time. It is the IT Cosmetics foundation brush. You know, just a really nice kabuki brush. I love kabuki brushes. This is the one that I got from Claire's. I use this one for my powder when I'm setting my under eyes. First time using a brush to apply foundation. Really small drop. I don't wear a lot of foundation. It feels so weird to put foundation on with a brush. I'm like more aware of like the wetness of it. I don't know. Something I really like about this foundation is it also smells really good. I'm like so tempted to just get it again, but I do want to try something different. Hope everyone has plans for Valentine's Day. I remember when I was younger, you know, before like I had a boyfriend and stuff, how I would celebrate Valentine's Day, and that would be with my mom. She would take us, we would wake up, for some reason we like, even until I was like, I don't know, 15, like literally we would wake up and all of our Valentine's Day like treats would be there, you know, like just heart candies and chocolate and stuff, and we'd sit there, have some, and then we'd kind of just tell her what we wanted to do for the day. It was cool. I remember one Valentine's Day we went to Barnes & Noble's. That's what we chose. We were like, oh, we want a lot of books. So we went to Barnes & Noble's, and then we each like picked a series basically, and we got like the whole series. I think I chose like, it's like some doll, oh, I'm gonna leave it in the description. It was some doll book, and it was actually kind of a children's book, but not really. It was about these dolls that at night they kind of move, and like it's kind of like a Toy Story thing, but it's really cute. And if they get seen by a human, they get like jail time, where like they can't move but they can like hear and like see everything. By the way, the concealer I just used was my NARS concealer, and the color is caramel. I'm going to be using this little beauty blender with my Mary Badescu Rose Water Spray to just dampen it a little bit and blend this out. I'm going to do the rest of my face, just basically cover up any blemishes I have, like dark spots. And really love doing the bridge of my nose and the sides. I'm going to set everything with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to start off with my nose. I love contouring my nose so much. And you just want to drag it down and kind of shape your nose. Do it all the way, and then also you want to put it here to kind of give yourself like a button nose kind of look. Wow, you can already tell already, like, it's doing a great job. My cheeks. And then just go around my face and like warm it up a little bit. I'm going to move back to my eyes for just a second. I wanted to take the really bright pink color that I used from the Masquerade palette called Ori, and just plop that, well, not plop it, but like put it just under here and like into the corner. So I'll start from here. Now I'm going to be using some blush. This is my Tarte Party brush. It has like extra A's. I'm kind of going to put more than I usually do. I want this to be very pink, you know, like my sweater. And like, this is the best time to really go crazy with like pink and kind of colors for Valentine's Day. Nobody's going to look at you like weird or anything. My favorite product ever, Becca Champagne Pop. I always, whenever I use this, I think of my friend that I used to work with. Her name was Lily. She told me about this. She used to wear this to work. She looked so nice with it. And this was my first ever highlighter. It's my favorite. And just some on my nose. Cupid's bow. And this look is almost finished. I'm just going to be putting a little bit. Now I'm going to use my Too Faced Lip Injection Gloss. This is the Lip Plumper one. I absolutely love this one. It really plumps your lips and tingles a lot. And this is the finished look. Like you promised, very glittery, romantic, pink. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a nice Valentine's Day. If you guys are not subscribed yet, go hit the button down below and subscribe. Before I forget, I need to use Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. You could also use the Mary Badescu Rose Water Spray like this one too. It's kind of like a sticky spray that, like, I don't know, it just makes your makeup stay on all day. But anyway, bye. I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have a great week.